Tamika and Cindy from
Sisters
Save You Cents. All right, today we are coming with the Harris Teeter early ad preview for 4/17 through 4/23. It's going to be the Easter ad.
Happy Easter, folks.
Yes. Okay. So, we're going to let Cindy talk about some of the generic deals. We have
I'm going to talk about produce of the week. Okay, so we have Farmer's Market asparagus for 99 cents. There's a limit of 5 pounds on the asparagus. It is 99 cents per pound, I think.
Yeah, it's 99
cents kind of deceiving.
Pound.
And then the strawberries are buy one, get one free.
They're $2.49 each.
Oh, snap. That's
which is good right now because strawberries are going up, y'all, because we're getting into that season.
And those are Farmer's Market strawberries. And then we have Farmer's Market Sun-Kissed Navel Oranges and Delicate Mandarins. And they're going to be for a 3-pound bag, $2.99, which is also good.
That's 99 cents a pound.
I've been killing some mandarins here lately.
She has.
I'm just letting you know about 3 a day.
That might be it as far as stuff.
Is that all the produce? Oh, hold on.
We got some 99-cent iceberg lettuce.
We got 99-cent head of lettuce. That's about it, folks.
Now, we do have there is a ham deal.
Oh, don't
which
forget
is the Harris Teeter
spiral sliced honey glazed or brown sugar half bone-in smoked ham, limited to $1.49 per pound.
Then the bone-in hickory ham is $1.99 a pound, guys. So if you need a hickory, if you need a ham for Easter, then there you go. And then they have whole beef tenderloin for $10.99 a pound. I don't even know if that's a good deal because I don't even whole beef tenderloin it, so I have no idea.
I don't do that either. My shirt's a little
But
sloppy.
there you go, so y'all know.
Yes.
Okay, so I have. I'm sorry, I mean to stab you. Stabbing her, y'all. Okay, so we have 5 Evics specials today. Starting Wednesday, but we're only going to talk about 2. The 2 that we're going to talk about is the Domino sugar. Ooh. It's the 4-pound. Excuse me. It's on sale for $1.67. There's a 75 cents off of 2. Internet printable on redplum.com. That's on our site, guys. It will make them 92 cents a pound for 4 pounds of sugar. So if you need that to make your cakes, that's a great deal.
Yeah, for Easter, you gotta make
we'll
the bunny
link that
cake.
printable down below. Okay, and then we have the Almond Breeze almond milk is 64 ounces. Can you find it? Because I don't have the price list.
I'm looking.
It might be inside. What's that?
There's some up there. It's
okay.
There it is.
It's $2.27, guys. It's a limit of 4 on both of these deals. And we have $1 off for one in SS 414. It may be regional. I'm not sure, but it makes it 97 cents, which is a great deal for almond milk. Okay, and also I'll mention Crisco. Crisco will be $1.97 for the 48 ounce. No coupons available, but it's limited 4. That's not bad for Crisco oil. Okay. So, and then we have a great deal on water this week at Harris Teeter. The Harris Teeter Purified 24 pack will be $1.99. This is a stock up price.
Bad. Yeah,
definitely get it. Water is, we're paying a little bit more now than we have been on water. So I don't know if it's just going up, but if it's under $2, that's stock up price. Go ahead and get you some of that. And there's no limit on that as far as I know. Okay, then we have, there's a deal on Dole Pineapple, the 20-ounce cans, which my kids love pineapples and oranges and all that stuff in a can. That's the 20-ounce can of oranges. They're on sale for $1. We have 50 cents off of 2 in SS47, making them 50 cents each. Great deal. Great deal for pineapples. And also, you can put them on your Easter hams. Some people do. I'm just saying. Okay.
Sure. We'll go with that.
Okay, Cindy, the Quaker bars, you got the picture. Can you slap that picture? The Quaker, this is a great deal. Now, this is a couple buy 2, get 3 free deals that we're going to talk about. So, the Quaker Chewy bars are buy 2, get 3 free.
That's it right there.
They're $2.99 each. You're going to buy 2. You're going to buy 5. You're going to use 2 of the $1 off of 2 coupons from SS3. I can't talk, y'all. And you'll pay 79 cents a box. Hot deal, limit of 10. Go ahead and get that. Next is the Penn's dressings.
Yep, that's also buy 2, get 3 free.
Yeah, and this is the 16 ounce, guys. It's $3.29. You're going to buy 5. What you're going to do is there's multiple coupons available. So use what you have in your area. But what I'm going to say is buy 3 of the Simply Vinaigrette brands. Those are 16 ounce. Use 3, 75 cents off of 1. Then buy 2, whatever kind you want. Use $1 off of 2. This is an SS 317. You're gonna pay $1.08 for all 5 or 21 cents a piece.
Which is great.
Bam. All right. So that's good on that.
Moving right along.
We also have Libby's vegetables. These are buy 2, get 3 free. There is no coupons available, but they're $1.39 each. It makes them 55 cents a piece. That's great if you do vegetables, if you do casseroles, whatever. You can go ahead and do the Sweet Baby Ray's.
Sweet Baby Ray's 18 ounce
Buy two, get three free.
Yeah, but I said they're buy two, get three free for $2.99. So we don't have any coupons, but you can look out for PLEs that are normally on the front. It is the whole front label of the Sweet Baby Ray's.
And it's $1 off of two.
It's $1 off of two, so you could use two of those if you buy 5, if you find them and they work for that size. Anyways, that's going to make them $1.19
each. Without $1.19 each without the coupons. If you find the coupons, you can use two, and that'll lower you out of pocket.
Yes.
So, but I haven't seen them in a while, but they are available still out there somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay, we have Vanity Fair napkins. They're $1.99. This is the expensive napkins, y'all. They're 40 to 100 count. We have a 50 cents off of one, and retail them at $4.7, making them 99 cents. So that's an okay deal if you want fancy napkins at your Easter party dinner.
At your Easter dinner, you get the Vanity Fair.
And the cantaloupe is on sale too.
For $1.50, which is a great price point.
You know, you can make a fruit salad.
Because I bought a cantaloupe the other day for $2.79 because I wanted it.
Let's do that.
Only because I wanted it, guys.
Okay, also we have we had a new printable that came out today. If you haven't seen, check out the new printables that came out today and yesterday. But French's has a 50 cent off of one internet printable. This is a regional printable. I don't know why we keep getting these, but we are getting regional printables. If you can print it, they'll be on sale, the 20 ounce for buy one, get one free. That'll make them $1.19 each. Use the 50 cent off of one and pay 19 cents a piece for your mustard.
That is
so great. That's a great deal.
If you like the mustard.
Yeah, get that mustard.
Good for deviled eggs.
Also, I can't believe it's not butters. 8 15 ounce is on sale for 2 for $4. We have a 50 cents off of one and $4.14. Retail me not. Pay $1, guys, on that. So that's all I got.
Is that it?
Oh no, I forgot about the Vlasic pickles. They're buy one get one free. This is the 10 to 46 ounce. I love pickles, y'all. So you're only gonna pay $1.37 each. That's good for Vlasic brand pickles.
Super good.
So that's what we got. Oh, and Harris Teeter beans and
what was it?
There's beans and tomatoes. Beans and diced tomatoes this week. The select beans and diced tomatoes will be 50 cents a can. So that's good if you need those kind of things. And y'all, that's all we got. Now, any other deals that we stumble across will be on the website tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, that's what it is.
Yep, and we'll.
Oh, that's good. That's what you was talking about.
She's talking about the French's
fried onions.
But we had a $2 off for two, but it's no longer available. I got them this week for $2 each, and I will pay that because
that is great.
Never
They'd be so expensive. Yeah, if you printed that, you better get some this week for $2.
That'll be $2 each.
Good deal.
Okay, that's all we got, guys. Any other deals will be listed on the website tomorrow. I will link down in the printables the coupons that we talked about, the 75 cents off of two for the red plum, for the Domino sugar, and any other printables that you may need to go ahead and print now for tomorrow. For Wednesday's sale. Thank you, guys.
Thank you
for watching us. We love you guys. Y'all have a great day.
Yes. Toodaloo.
Bye-bye.